Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I have to be at work in an hour, so I thought I'd very quickly just show you like my more everyday routine or just what I'm really enjoying doing at the minute. So yeah, I am at work in an hour, but it's not my supermarket job, it's a different job. So I'm allowed to wear makeup to this one. So this is what I've been doing more recently. So it is a bit much just for going to work, but I don't know, it's just one of those looks that makes me feel so much more confident where I'm wearing it. So I figured I'm gonna sit and paint my face today. This is my kind of go-to makeup at the minute, just what I wear more every day these days. If I want to do makeup, I don't wear makeup every day. I don't have that amount of effort. But if I am going to wear makeup, this is what I've been doing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And also, don't forget to press the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. And let's get on with my makeup. First up is moisturiser, so I'm just going in with the Vitamin E Moisture Cream. This is just a hydrating moisturiser. Then for foundation, I'm going in with the Revlon Colour Stays. This is just a natural finish foundation. It's not too heavy, not too cakey. Perfect for just everyday wear really. And we've really got into using this foundation again at the minute. Next up is concealer, and as always I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm popping that under my eyes and then on my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow and my forehead, and then I'm just blending all that out. I've started doing it slightly differently under my eyes just because I feel like it lifts the face up more, whereas if you do like the big triangle you kind of highlight in the lowest point in your cheek, which is that bit like just next to your nose. So I feel like this way it just lifts your face instead of highlighting the areas you don't really want highlighted. I'm then using my Mercier translucent setting powder to just set under my eyes before they start to crease. And then next up is my brows, so as always I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, whatever you want to call them. So I'm just brushing them through, and then to do my brows I just underline them first and then kind of just go around the top portion of my eyebrow and then just fill that in. Then using my Maybelline Fit Me powder just to set the rest of my base in place. So I make sure to like push the powder into my skin, and then just on my neck I just kind of blend it by rubbing it in, I guess. For bronzer today I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just using this on a really fluffy brush because I don't want to do any heavy contouring. I just want this to literally like add some colour to my face. So I'm just going under my cheekbones and then around the perimeters of my forehead. Because I'm not wearing any eyeshadow today, I also just like to put a bit of that bronzer on my eyelids just to kind of tie the eyes with the rest of my face. And I'm also just going in with a really thin brush just to slightly contour my nose. I don't do anything too heavy, it's literally just to make it more even and the shape I want it to be. For blush, I'm using the L'Oreal Life's Peach blush. I absolutely love this, it smells amazing and it's just like a really subtle blush. It's not really in your face and it's got a teeny bit of shimmer, so when the sun hits it just adds that really nice glow. For highlighter, I'm going in with my favourite highlighter at the minute, so this is the Beauty Bay Flash highlighter. It's just so bright, I absolutely love it. It is a really pale colour, so if you're much more darker toned than I am, this probably wouldn't work for you. But yeah, so now I'm just going to go in with a smaller brush just to add it to my brow bone and to my inner corner. Again, I just feel like it ties the eyes with the face more. And I'm setting all of that in place with the Revolution Pro Goddess Glow Fixing Spray. It's a mouthful. I love this spray, it's more of a mist than like a shoot, which I really like. For eyeliner, I'm using a product that I've never actually used before this go, and I'm just going to use it to make a little wing. So this is the L'Oreal Matte Signature Eyeliner. Now I actually really liked it. I went to buy the L'Oreal Superliner, which I spoke about in my last video, but I don't know if they do it anymore, so if anybody knows if they still make the black lacquer eyeliner, please let me know, because it's my favourite and this is the closest I could get to it. But yeah, I did really enjoy using it. It's just not what I was looking for, but it's still really good. So at this point, as you can tell, I was definitely waking up a little bit more, having a little boogie to my music. But yeah, I'm just using the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. And then just when I was enjoying life, having a little boogie, this happens. Oh, it gets me so mad. I can't think of anything more frustrating. Then, because I'm feeling a little bit extra today, I'm going to go in with some lashes. So these are a pair of my favourite lashes at the minute. They are the Shapeshifter Cosmetics lashes in the style MILF. This is a new brand, but I am well and truly obsessed. And you can actually use the code Clewes10 to get money off your order. So yeah, this is just what they look like. They're super fluffy, fluttery. They're absolutely lovely. But yeah, I'll link their website down below so you can go check that out, and don't forget to use Clewes10 for money off your order. And then just going in with that same mascara to just coat my bottom lashes. Nothing fancy, literally just a thin layer on the bottom lash. Moving on to lips, I'm starting with my Cash Beauty Rose Nude Lip Liner, and I'm just slightly overlining my lips. Nothing too extreme, literally just slightly over my natural lip line. Then for lipstick, I'm sticking with Cash Beauty and going in with the shade Dawn. Now this is literally one of those lip colours that's like my lips but better. I absolutely love it. It's like my favourite at the minute. It's the only one I'm using. I'm obsessed. Then finishing this look off with some gloss. So this is the Cash Beauty Starlight Gloss. Now I absolutely love this. It's just got like a pinky rose gold reflex to it, but it's not super sticky or super tacky. It's just a really, really, really nice gloss. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. I'm super happy with it. This is literally like my go-to at the minute. Just a nice wing, some fluttery lashes, and then a nude glossy lip. No, it's not like massively nude, it's like a rosy nude kind of colour. But yeah, so this is the finished makeup. Super happy with it. So I'm gonna go sort my hair out and get changed, and then I shall be back. Okay, so I am finished getting ready. Yes, the big woolly hat is very necessary because work is freezing. We're always there in like massive coats and many layers. So the hat is from Barbour, I believe. Yes, hat's from Barbour. This jumper is actually just a Primark jumper. It's just a jumper. I don't see the point in spending loads of money on a black jumper when you can just get one from Primark. The belt, my stepdad actually made for me. Moving down, see my messy bedroom. The jeans are just New Look Joni jeans, I believe they're called. And then the shoes and my grey socks, because I don't have any other ankle socks. Super G, I don't really know, but they're just the platform. It's so hard to show, the platformed white trainers. This is the outfit for the day. I have a hair stuck to my eyelash. It's driving me crazy and I can't find it. Stress. This is my look. This is my everyday makeup routine. Not every day, but the days I wear makeup, this is what I do. And that's about it really. I should probably put my glasses on because I've not been wearing them and I really need to be. Should put them on like a good girl. Need cleaning. There we go, we'll be a good girl, wear my glasses. So yeah, this is the finished look and the finished outfit. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and click the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload. So I think that's everything. So thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye.